Welcome Saturday weekly update on the Dow Jones Industrial Average called the Dirty 30 at the top of the channel. Listen, we are due for a big, horrendous pullback. As you can see, we bought the 200-day. That was the buy. We've gone parabolic 3 days up to the top of the channel right here on the Dow. There's going to be a lot of resistance as we see it, and we go back over to the chart where we see how resistance held before and how we went down there. Now, yes, the Dow's only come back 3 days where other ones have come back five. We're almost to a daily buy signal. We're at what we call breakout higher points. However, we feel that it's ran too far too fast and that there are issues with earnings and slowdown in the US that's going to reverse the Dow over the next 3 calendar weeks.